Hello people, I am so happy today because I got that. Look at, what does it look like, huh? The new Raider Rapid Fire CS-35. It's just like my favorite gun right now. I'm not kidding, my favorite gun. And I just got this. And I got this for deploy. Awesome sight. So I got the deploy CS6 and the Raider CS-35. And there's two different firing modes. Two blasting mode. Single fire, slam fire. So awesome. Oh, and look at this part. It says special value, double your dice, and it really does come with double dice. So I recommend you get the Raider. Fully recommend it. Yeah, I got 12 Nerf guns now. From me watching CA Cox 97, after I watched CA Cox 97 videos, I started to think, maybe Nerf guns will be my new type of awesome toy, like Lego. You saw my Lego videos. Well, now it's Nerf or nothing. Okay, I gotta go now. So yeah, I recommend you get the Raider and the deploy. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. Look it. There's like a skill thing. Look it. I love this part. Hold on. Okay. This is why everybody loves this gun. Flashlight mode. Oh yeah. Gun mode. Oh, okay, I gotta go now, seriously. So yeah, get the Raider, get the deploy, the awesome guns and the Vector. And yeah, bye. Please rate and comment.